In a world where traditional currencies are controlled by centralized institutions, a new power is rising: Bitcoin. As a decentralized currency in an increasingly decentralized world, Bitcoin has the potential to change the world in more ways than you might think. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how Bitcoin will impact the way the world works, how it will strip away borders and empower the people in ways you could never imagine. So let's dive in. We all know that with the explosion of the internet, people from all corners of the globe have become connected like never before. It led to the growth of international trade and the proliferation of digital technologies transforming the way we live and work. As a result, the world is more interconnected than ever, and boundaries are breaking down as people and businesses are able to connect and collaborate in ways that were not possible before, working online, remotely, from anywhere in the world. This global digital world offers new opportunities and challenges, but none more so that with blockchain technology like Bitcoin. If you don't already know how it works, I'll give you a quick overview. Bitcoin is a digital currency that operates on a decentralized global platform. It uses a network of computers to process and verify transactions which are recorded on the public ledger called the blockchain. This decentralized structure means that Bitcoin is not subject to the control of any government or financial institution and is instead underpinned by a complex mathematical algorithm. This makes Bitcoin largely immune to inflation and other economic pressures. In order to participate in the Bitcoin network, users must install a digital wallet on their computer, which allows them to send and receive Bitcoin. Once you're set up, you can use Bitcoin to make fast, secure, and inexpensive transactions. Because of all these factors, I truly believe Bitcoin has the potential to revolutionize the way we use money, the way we work, and the way we live. So listen up, because I'm going to show you why. So firstly, Bitcoin can offer individuals a level of financial freedom that was previously unimaginable. With a few clicks, you can send and receive money from anywhere in the world, without the need for intermediaries like banks and credit card companies. This means that you have greater control over your own money and can use it in ways that were not possible before. You can make transactions quickly, securely, and inexpensively without having to worry about the fees and restrictions that are often associated with traditional form of currency. Bitcoin also makes it easier for individuals to conduct international transactions and access markets across borders. This can be especially useful for people living in countries with unstable economies or restrictive financial systems, which can make it difficult or impossible to send and receive money from abroad. With Bitcoin, these barriers are effectively eliminated and individuals can access global financial opportunities that were previously out of reach. Secondly, Bitcoin presents businesses with a unique opportunity to expand their reach and tap into new markets. Because it is a global currency, it makes it easier for businesses to conduct international trade and open up new revenue streams. One of the key advantages of Bitcoin for businesses is its fast, secure, and cheap transactions. Bitcoin allows businesses to conduct transactions quickly and secure without having to worry about the fees and restrictions that you get with traditional forms of currency. It also makes it easy for businesses to accept payments from customers around the world without having to worry about the complexity and costs of setting up traditional payment infrastructure. Bitcoin has the potential to be a game changer for businesses that are looking to expand their reach and tap into new markets, and can help to unlock new opportunities and revenue streams, growing the global economy. The potential impact of Bitcoin goes far beyond just finance. Because it can operate on a global scale, it has the potential to break down barriers and facilitate international trade in amazing new ways. Third, because Bitcoin can be used across the cloud, it's a perfect tool for the remote revolution. As more and more people are working and communicating in the cloud, location is no longer as important as it once was. For individuals who work remotely, Bitcoin can be a powerful tool. It allows them to receive payments quickly and securely across any border, wherever they are. If they could pay with Bitcoin anywhere, they never have to exchange currency again. Also, from the business perspective, if they employ remote workers, Bitcoin can be an effective solution for managing payroll and expenses. It allows them to easily pay their employees regardless of where they are located in the world, and eliminates the need for expensive and time-consuming international money transfers. So, what impact will this have on the borders that we take for granted? Traditionally, governmental bodies are elected within borders, whether it's a small town or a large country, and are responsible for providing laws, public service, and infrastructure. But for people working in a remote world with a remote currency, everything they do will transcend traditional borders. How will they interact with traditional governmental bodies? How will they be taxed? How will we organize our communities and societies if the traditional structures cease to exist? When laws and governance can differ so drastically from state to state, country to country, decentralized working, a decentralized currency like Bitcoin highlights the need for something to change, because Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies operate on a decentralized global platform. They are not subject to the control of any other country or jurisdiction. Bitcoin could force more countries to standardize, cooperate in the way they implement laws and taxation, not just in regions, but globally. Look at the way the European Union operates as an example of what this could look like. With the Schengen area allowing free movement and harmonization, standardizing laws and regulation across all the European countries, it effectively creates one super country with no real borders. There are no border checks, you can come and go as you please within it. One of the main ways they facilitate this economically was with a single currency, the euro. Bitcoin has the potential to facilitate this level of cooperation on a global scale. Bitcoin could force a need for common standards and regulations and lead to greater cooperation and collaboration among countries, removing the barrier that currently exists between them. So what would the world look like if all this comes true? If borders became blurred and we had a global, remote connected world powered by Bitcoin and blockchain? Firstly, it is likely that there would be a significant increase in global trade and commerce. Because people and goods would be able to move freely across borders, it would be easier for businesses to access new markets and customers, and for individuals to live and work in different countries. This could lead to much greater economic growth and development, which would especially benefit for countries with small domestic markets who would now be able to access the global market. Secondly, without borders, we could see so much more cultural exchange and interaction. Look at all the amazing cultures and people around the world. There is so much color and vibrancy, so much amazing traditions, foods, so much history. People from different countries will be able to more easily visit and learn from another. And this could lead to a greater understanding and appreciation of different cultures. Thirdly, it could lead to greater political stability and cooperation. Because people and goods will be able to move more freely across borders, it not only removes so much of the friction that causes political instability, but it will be easier for individuals and businesses to escape persecution or disaster. And this could lead to greater cooperation among countries. However, this could also go the other way and create challenges and conflicts. New modern solutions for governments would have to be found, as it would be harder for governments to exert control over their territory with the traditional methods of implementing laws and regulations. Maybe one of the solutions will involve blockchain election, but that's a story for another video. So in conclusion, the impact that Bitcoin will have on the world is still yet to be seen. But as it continues to gain traction, the potential it has to fundamentally change the course of the future is incredible. So that's it for today's video. What do you think a Bitcoin-shaped world will look like? Comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.